Alright guys, on my Action 5 Pro, subject tracking, 1080p, 16:9, 60 frames. Got my DJI Mini Mic 2 microphone, and I'm vlogging out here, coming out to speak to you guys. And today I wanted to talk about how I'm helping, or how I'm hoping to help new YouTube creators, specifically creators like me. 1,000, under 1,000, 500 subscribers, 1,000, 1,200. I'm gonna try to tell you how I'm thinking about this, about how I'm gonna help my fellow vloggers out there, especially vloggers. So I think that this day forward, I'm gonna start commenting, engaging, liking, unliking, and subscribing to the new channels that come up in my feed, that are vlog type like this. And I'm thinking that this is a small way I can help these small YouTubers, these small content creators. This is how I can help them, or maybe help them with the algorithm, by engaging, commenting, liking, subscribing. I think YouTube wants that. I think YouTube will take your video, if you have a lot more comments on it, and push it. Now, no one could figure out the YouTube algorithm, all right? And I'm not going to try to figure it out. All I know is that when people engage in my videos, I think I see YouTube pushing it. I see more impressions. I see some slightly better views, engagement. I think the engagement is the key. And from this point forward, I'm going to be doing that with the younger type YouTube channels. I mean, that's how I'm thinking about it anyway. I mean, I think that's the little way that I could help. You know, and I well, while we're here, you might as well like, subscribe, or unlike my video or my vlog. But I figure that's what we're going to talk about today. And I think, I mean, it's so, let me put it this way. I'm back at 1,000 subscribers, and I haven't had 1,000 subscribers for over 2 years, because I didn't do any content before 2025. I only did one video in 2023, no videos in 2024, and now I started in 2025 and I'm up to 11 videos. And even though I did no videos for those last 2 years, 23, 24, I mean one video, I kept my subscribers, which tells me that my organic subscribers, my subscribers didn't leave me. And I found that pretty impressive, because I didn't make any content. Now that I'm at 1,000, I'm thinking, what can I do to engage? Well, how do I capture more subscribers? And I think that I want to capture these new YouTubers, these new vloggers, these brand new channels. I mean, I'm going to a lot of new channels a lot, and I think because I have been subscribing to young channels, that's the feed I'm getting. That's the feed that YouTube is giving me. They're giving me younger channels, mostly younger channels. And I kind of like it because I see the struggles. I can relate with the struggles that these content creators have. I mean, I've been struggling. I mean, not struggling, so I would say. I've been doing this for 5 years. And when I first started this channel, I was doing search engine optimization. I was making crazy thumbnails. I was listening to all of the growing on YouTube type creators. And, you know, like the vidIQs, those type of creators. And to this day, I still watch them. They motivate me. But I think those channels are really made for channels that, or content creators that have like 20,000 subscribers, 40,000 subscribers. Because I don't think those tools really work for a new subscriber. I don't know. I tried all that stuff back 5 years ago. And I mean, I got a little traction, but not impressive. And now what I'm doing, and what I really want people to kind of do, what YouTubers, I want them to try to do, just be themselves, vlog, have fun with it. Like, you know, right now, I could tell you this much. None of this is scripted, as you could probably tell. But this, to me, is more fun, more genuine, more raw, more real. And I feel this is the way I can reach new subscribers and get views. And you know what? You know, right now I'm not thinking about monetization. I'm not going crazy. I know that monetization is difficult, and even when you get monetized, to make meaningful revenue, you know, you have to do, I mean, 500,000 views. You have to really work at it. It's like it's, you know, like it's a small business. And you know, I'm not there yet. I'm not ready for that. Maybe when I retire from my real job, I'll consider it. Right now, I'm just going to do it this way. Go out there, vlog, take my Action 5 Pro, and vlog. And try to enjoy the experience. And while I'm at it, guys, how's this overcast day? The sun is out a little bit. Just curious of how the Action 5 is doing with its visuals, and how the mic sounds, and the subject tracking. I mean, you know, is it steady? Is it shaky? How's it look? Is it clear? I'm about 20 inches away from the camera. I have the selfie stick here, and I'm just curious how it looks. And let me know in the comments down below. But also in the comments down below, let me know what you guys, what you creators, you young creators are doing for new, young YouTube content creators. Specifically YouTube. I want to know what you're doing. Are you going to their videos? Are you liking? Are you engaging? Are you commenting? Are you trying to join communities? I'm also trying to join communities, like a lot of times I go to Chris Meets Chris and they have, or he's trying to kind of start a community of vloggers like this. So there's a lot of times when I just get his feed up, and I always go to one of his videos, and I think he may have a point there. You know, this an old school feel in YouTube right now of vlogging, real genuine vlogging. You know, simple thumbnails and real talking. You know, to people, and I think it's pretty easy for someone like me, and I think it could possibly be easy for new YouTubers to just get it up there, get the camera up, and have a conversation with the camera, and just start vlogging. So that's what I'm going to be doing going forward to the new feeds I get, the new YouTube channels I get, especially vlogs. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to like, I'm going to subscribe, I'm going to comment, I'm going to engage. If there's a community, I might consider joining or something. All right, and that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and now the wind is coming in, so let me know what you think of the wind while I have the mic up. And at this point, I might as well say goodbye to you guys and see you on the next vlog. Thanks a lot.